Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video I am going to talk about a new launch all from my favorite brand Mamaearth. So recently Mamaearth has launched their almond range and I got a chance to try out all the product from this range. So let me show you all the product first because I know you all are very excited to see what all the products Mamaearth has launched in this range. So without further ado, let's just start this video. The first product that Mamaearth has launched is their Mamaearth Almond Hair Oil. This one is priced rupees 399 and you are going to get 150 ml of product. So the next two products that has been launched in this range are Mamaearth Almond Shampoo and Conditioner. Both the shampoo and conditioner are priced rupees 349 each and you are going to get 250 ml of product in each container. So yes, this is the three product that has been launched by Mamaearth in their almond range. Now let me talk little bit regarding the packaging of this product because it is definitely worth to talk little bit regarding the packaging of this brand. So first let me talk about the almond hair oil packaging. So this is the outer carton box of the hair oil and this is how the hair oil comes up. Let me just take out the product. So this is how the almond hair oil bottle look like. It comes up with a flip cap kind of opening like so. Along with that, it also comes up with this comb kind of attachment. You can always apply this hair oil by pouring it through the flip cap, or you just remove this flip cap and you can replace this hair comb attachment with the bottle like this, and you can pour the oil through this and you can comb your hair. Along with that, you can pour the oil just at the root of the hair. So we usually oil our hair by using our hand, but sometimes it is very natural that few places just missed out because we are using our hand. But with this comb kind of attachment, you can definitely oil each and every single roots of your hair because it is very easy to do. All you have to comb your hair like so, and along with that you just have to squeeze the bottle a little so that a little amount of oil just came out through the openings and they are just going to apply directly on the roots of your hair. So definitely I would say packaging wise this oil is so convenient and so good. I just love it because that actually make oiling is a mess free. So definitely I love the packaging of this oil. Moving on to the packaging of shampoo and conditioner. So as you can see, the shampoo and conditioner both comes up in this pump kind of packaging. Also it has the guard. It is very travel friendly kind of packaging because usually pump kind of bottle is little bit messy when you are traveling with them. You have to be careful so that the product doesn't come out on your travel bag whenever the pump is pressed. So this bottle comes up with this pump guard that will prevent that accidental pump out of your product, which I really like. And yes, this is also very convenient to use because there is nothing like mess. All you just have to pump out a little amount of each product and you can use it. So yes, packaging wise these two are really very convenient and travel friendly also. Okay, now I am going to share something very interesting regarding this brand that I have never shared in my video before. Do you know that every time you buy Mamaearth products, Mamaearth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. Interesting, right? A very good initiative, right? Next, I'm going to talk about the plastic positive concept by this brand. So as you can see, Mamaearth, all the packaging comes up in this kind of plastic bottle. Now Mamaearth recycle more plastic than they use. They now recycle over 240 empty plastic every month, which means 1 empty is 1000 kgs. Amazing, right? So yes, these are all the fun and interesting facts regarding the Mamaearth that I have never shared in my video, but I think now you also know the goodness behind this brand. So yes, now let's talk about the availability of all the product. So Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purplle, Flipkart and also Mamaearth official website and app. Do you know Mamaearth has just launched their app, and by using a unique code you can get 20% discount when you shop from Mamaearth official website or from their app. So Mamaearth has just launched their official app so that user can get early access to the sales and can also get extra discount. So what are you waiting for? Just go and download Mamaearth app and start your shopping. Okay, now let's talk little bit regarding my experience. You can see my hair today. My hair is looking very good today and so healthy. I just oil my hair and leave it for overnight. You can definitely leave it for few hours if you are in hurry, and then I just wash my hair with Mamaearth Almonds shampoo and conditioner. I am using this entire range from past few weeks, and let me tell you, the more I'm using it, the more my hair feeling so healthy. Every time my hair feels so soft, so silky. I love it because winter is dry season and most of the time my hair feels so frizzy on the crown area. But look at it today. Can you just see? The hair is looking so healthy, so good. I just love it. And yes, not to forget, all the products of this range have amazing fragrance. I was literally smelling each and every product every time I just use it. I just love it. The fragrance are definitely not much strong. They are very mild, but they are just amazing. The hair oil is very light in texture. You can definitely use this hair oil as a hair serum also just after your hair wash. All you just need to apply 1 to 2 drops if you have very thin hair like me, or 2 to 3 drops if you have thick hair. You just need to apply this oil just on the length of your hair, not on the scalp, just on the length of your hair, and leave it like so. It will act an awesome leave-in conditioner. I just do it every single day whenever I wash my hair and I feel great. My hair feels great. So yes, definitely you can use this hair oil as a oil or as a hair serum. I love to use them, and that's why I share my tips regarding this hair oil. Both the shampoo and conditioner consistency are really good. They are neither too thick nor too runny. They are white in color and have amazing fragrance. So yes, this is all about what I feel regarding this entire range. Let me tell you, I totally fallen in love with this new almond range by Mamaearth, and now it's time for the demo video where I'm going to use all the 3 products, and definitely I'm going to talk little bit more regarding each and every product in the demo video. So now let's see that demo video. Mamaearth product have no toxins, no harmful chemicals, and there is no silicone, parabens, mineral oil and dyes. So all these products are dermatologically tested and they are chemical free. Almond oil is a powerhouse of nutrients such as vitamin A and vitamin B along with essential omega fatty acid. Have you ever dreamed of flawless hair flips and healthy tresses? What if I tell you that there is a product that can do it all? It can soften, smoothen and strengthen my hair. Well, Mamaearth almond hair oil are something like that. It is a small bottle that have magic potion for your hair. It deeply nourishes scalp and hair and promote healthy hair growth. It claims to prevent premature graying. The key ingredients in this oil are cold pressed almond oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin E, avocado oil, jojoba oil and castor oil. This hair oil is suitable for all hair types and they are free from all harmful chemicals. Moving on to the almond shampoo. This shampoo is also paraben and SLS free. It is dermatologically tested. I am just applied this shampoo on my wet hair and scalp with the fingertip and I just rinse it thorough. All I just feel after using this shampoo for few weeks, it keeps my scalp healthy. It definitely gently cleanses my hair, and as this shampoo is made up of with all the natural ingredients, this shampoo is very gentle on my hair and it doesn't dry out my hair. As I have a colored and treated hair, so I thought that this shampoo might not work on my hair, but to my surprise, this shampoo worked perfectly on my hair. As I am using it from past few weeks, so I can say that this shampoo has already made my scalp healthy and my hair look clean. Now moving on to the conditioner. A shampoo effect is incomplete unless and until you use a conditioner. So every time I just wash my hair, I always take care that I do apply conditioner. And Mamaearth has also launched almond conditioner along with their shampoo. The key ingredients of this conditioner is cold pressed almond oil and vitamin E. Again, this product is paraben and silicone free. It is dermatologically tested. This conditioner just deeply nourishes my hair and and yes, it reduces my hair breakage a lot. It makes my hair look soft and smooth. As you can see, all the 3 almond hair care range are for all hair types. No matter whether your hair is oily or dry, you just don't need to worry that whether it is going to suit on your hair or not. It is made in such a way that it will suit all kind of hair. And yes, this is how my hair looks after using the hair oil followed by shampoo and conditioner, and I just dried my hair. Can you just see, my hair is looking so good, so soft, so smooth and so healthy. I totally love it. So now is the most interesting part of the video. So you can use my code MAB2021 for 20% discount from the Mamaearth website and Mamaearth app. All the link of Mamaearth website and the Mamaearth app has already been mentioned in the description box below in case you want to check it out or download them. You can also purchase their product from Nykaa, Amazon, Purple. If you buy from Mamaearth website, they will link your order to a tree that they will plant. So get Mamaearth app or do order from their official website mostly. And that is all about Mamaearth new almond range. All in all, I really like the almond range that has been launched by Mamaearth. I just love it. All the products are affordable and the quality is really good. And not to forget, this brand have very good initiative towards plastic and some great future plan, and that's why I feel it should be our responsibility and duty to support such brand purchasing their products so that they can contribute a little bit in our project of saving our earth. That's all for today. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video. I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.